This is Joe the Pro doing an inside look with Matt Van, who's the product manager for Bosch Diamond Blades. Matt, I know that we've got some new Bosch Diamond Blades coming to the market. What can you tell me about them?
Sure. We're launching a full line of product designed for concrete and masonry professionals and also for tile cutting. It's a line of product, 27 SKUs total. We have segmented blades, turbo blades, continuous rim blades, really focused on applications.
Nice. I love hearing that they're focused on applications. You know, I've had to cut green concrete, asphalt, some various things before. So you're covering that with this new lineup?
We are. This new lineup will cover diameters 4-inch up to 14-inch. So it's for small angle grinders, medium-sized angle grinders, and also gas-powered portable saws and walk-behind saws. And like I mentioned, we have segmented blades, turbo blades, and tile blades for cutting wet as well.
Good. You're getting that wet saw in there.
Absolutely.
Love it. Yep. All right. These blades, I know Bosch puts a lot of engineering into the blades. Can you highlight something that we're doing new to really target those applications?
Sure. We talked with users in the field, and what we found is that they wanted blades for very specific applications.
All right.
So what our engineering group did was they came up with a special formulation of metal powders and industrial grade diamonds specific for these materials. For example, abrasive materials like green concrete, concrete block, asphalt, we have a blade specifically for that application.
Awesome. Love it. Now, let's talk about this blade. I know we've got, you know, to me it looks like it's got some real beefy segments. What else is going on there?
It has a hardened and tensioned steel core. That's going to provide stability during cutting. Some of our blades also have cooling holes. What that's designed for is to extend the life of the blade. Again, working in very hard or soft materials, you need a blade that's going to stand up over time, and that's what we focused on.
Absolutely. Well, you know, I love hearing some of the tech specs, and that's what we love doing on these inside looks. Is there any other applications that we're missing or anything else that we should know about?
Well, like I mentioned, we also have a blade for cutting tile. Very fine tooth blade. It's going to cut very clean in tile, which is what end users asked for.
Absolutely.
So we're very much focused on that application as well.
Well, Matt, sounds great. I love trying out some of these blades, and they've worked out great for me, so I appreciate it.
Good to hear.
That's an inside look at Bosch Diamond Blades.